Hello, and today once more an idea which got materialized. The woman of the gospel of today has the idea. I will touch the coat of Jesus and I will get healed. It seems so easy, so banal, but it requires enormous courage, enormous courage, because the woman who wants to do that, she suffers of the losses of blood. And the problem is that in this society, a person who has any skin problems or fluids which are leaving your body and some similar diseases, and above all when you has open wounds, or like this woman, you are losing the wounds, you are extremely impure, and you will attach this impurity to other people, so they will get problems because they will have to go to the temple and get pure. So she risks to be she risks to have so many people against her when she will pass all the people who are around Jesus. But she takes this courage and she touches him, and Jesus cannot refute her because he is feeling this courage, this attempt to go beyond our borders, beyond the borders of the society. And this gospel is making me think about another scene which I commented some couple of days ago, when Jesus was going down step from the mountain, and he touches the leprous man and healed him. And again he risked to be refuted by all people who were listening to him. And today the woman, but for her sake, just for the sake of another person, is making the step, and Jesus cannot say no. And so this woman, is challenging us to cross our borders, to win over our doubts, over our anxieties, and what other people will think. Overcross that, and to win, because Jesus is saying us courage.